Today, guys, on Art Inspirations, we're going to be trying to do the one-line challenge. Do I think I will succeed? No, I do not. Because I'm afraid. I'm really afraid of it. So, sorry to all you headphone users. I just yelled! Because I could. We're going to try. I'm also just trying. I'm really just trying to stall because I don't want to do it. Okay. Now that we're over our anxiety phase, which will not end, we're gonna try it. So, friends, with that said, don't be afraid to do things you're afraid of. Unless they're bad things like jumping off a cliff without rappelling gear. That's a bad idea. Don't do that. Okay. I'm stalling again. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay. So for the one-line challenge, I used a uni-ball eco pen. They're one of the pens I use for everything. They're great if you want to do watercolor because you can draw beforehand and then paint over it. But on this, I have to admit, one of the most interesting things was it was almost like follow the line, like drawing everything on this. If I needed to get to the other side of the picture, the other side of her head, if I needed to get anywhere on this picture, I had to literally think of it like, okay, how am I going to get there? It was like strategy, which I did not realize is what would happen. So yeah, that was just like the one thing that really got me about this challenge. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest of it. Okay guys, so here is the finished piece. It's not super great. I also was having a panic attack almost the whole way through it. If you could have seen my hands, maybe still shiny. I was like, I don't know how hard I was gripping it, but I was gripping the pen so hard, guys. But there is the one-line challenge finished. I can't even tell you how much anxiety I have from doing this, but I did it. It was actually really fun. My only problem is I'm the type of sketcher where I like doing a lot of very fluid lines and kind of popping my wrist to do a lot of my lines. And so doing this was a little bit difficult. I'm sure everyone will have noticed how many times I totally lifted up my hand, and there were a few of them. So I admit I cheated a little, but I promise you I tried to stay right where my hand went off from. I did not move. But yeah, so here's the finished piece. I hope you guys like it. Remember to comment below what you think I should do next, what challenges you'd like to see me do. I don't really want to do this one again, but if you guys would like me to do another one with markers maybe, I could try doing that. But any other art videos, let me know. Please subscribe to help the channel keep growing, keep getting a bigger little group of art inspirations, all of us together. I hope you like. If you'd like to subscribe, you can click right up here, and if you'd like to see more videos, they are right here, as well as, once again, if we can reach 50 followers, we are going to get, or followers, thinking Instagram, which also, I am on Instagram. If you want to find me there, I post a lot, but for our subscribers, if we get 50 subscribers, this is the little guy that I will be giving away to one of you lucky subscribers. So make sure to like, comment, keep our little channel growing so we can all continue being awesome, keep doing incredible art, and yeah, so stay awesome, guys. Keep being inspired. Have a great day.